In India, Muslims have all along been very educationally backward, and this has been proved time and again. And the latest survey by Sachar Committee has proved that the Muslims have gone down as far as the education is concerned at the lowest ebb. We, the group of World Education and Development Organization, realized this in 1978 and 79 itself. And then at that particular point of time, we decided to start a school with all the modern facilities, good education, plus the cultural values. And over a period of time, we have inculcating among the students the moral values, the religious ethos, and the love for their country. We have been successful, mashallah, in bringing up high quality education, which is essential for the development of a child, with the most competent, qualified staff, and at an affordable price. Since we are an NGO, unfortunately, all the management people have been blessed by the Almighty Allah in their own field. So whatever time we are devoting here, it is adding to the quality education. This school started with just 22 students, 2 teachers. Now has got a strength of about 1,600, a staff about more than 150 people in fact working, and having the most modern facilities. We have got the paperless office as far as the parents' communication is concerned. Most of the time we are interacting with our parents through the computer. We have the best infrastructure both with reference to the computerization, and we hope that inshallah in the times to come it will be one of the best schools in the country. That is what actually we are aspiring at. And school now is in a position to sell the identical ideas to the outside world also, and we are trying to spread our wings across the country.
The school's main objective and focus is not only academics, and not only the academics excellence of each child, but the focus of the school is on the extracurricular activities. Like it, for example, career guidance, career counseling, regularly happening in school, monthly basis, 2 monthly basis, and not only group sessions, it is on one-to-one basis also. Identifying the needs, the aptitude, the interest, individual abilities of each child.
छोटे बच्चों का है कि मदर टंग में हम लोग कोशिश करते हैं कि वो अपने को एक्सप्रेस कर पाएँ फ्रीली, और उनका जो मेन मेथोडोलॉजी रहती है वो प्ले वे एक्टिविटी रहती है. जितना उसको एंजॉय कर सकते हैं, चीज़ों को अपने सराउंडिंग को एक्सप्लोर करेंगे थ्रू गेम्स, थ्रू स्मॉल एक्टिविटीज़, उतना ज़्यादा वो उसे समझ पाते हैं.
We started with 4 rooms and today we are having a sprawling campus. Children here are not just studying, they are getting all kinds of facilities and a secure environment as well. We now after 22 years, from the last 2 years, we have had the infrastructure where we have CCTVs also, wherein we are having a complete surveillance of the school.
मैनेजमेंट हमारा बहुत अच्छा है. पार्ट ऑफ दैट प्रिंसिपल हमारी बहुत कोऑपरेटिव है. हम अपनी छोटी छोटी बातों के लिए भी प्रिंसिपल को अप्रोच कर लेते हैं, हमें उनसे हेल्प मिलती है, मदद मिलती है. माशाल्लाह हमारे स्कूल में कुछ इस तरह की पॉलिसीज़ अडॉप्ट की गई हैं. फॉर एग्जांपल फैमिली प्रोजेक्ट है हमारे स्कूल में, और जिसमें कि हमारा एक बच्चे के साथ जब तक वो स्कूल में रहता है एक मदरली बॉन्डिंग हो जाती है बच्चे के साथ. हमें बच्चे के बारे में हर चीज़ का पता रहता है.
This is one of the best institute which provides technical support to the students in all the classes. All the classes are smart classes. Students learn from the smart board so that they can understand very well.
The school is providing the best of the infrastructure and support for its students, so that our students, out of completing the school life, can go out in the market and compete with best of the students and best of the schools.
My association with this institution has been very enriching and a very, very good one. I have worked in other schools of Delhi also. As far as the atmosphere in this school is concerned, I feel this is one of the best institutions in Delhi, because the atmosphere it provides, it is just like an extended family to all of us.
हमारे स्कूल में बहुत सारे पेरेंट्स की ये कंप्लेन आती थी कि हम अपने बच्चों को हिफ्ज़ कराना चाहते हैं, इसलिए वो बच्चों को स्कूल से विड्रॉ करा लेते थे। तो अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह स्कूल इंतज़ामिया ने, मैनेजमेंट ने 2013-14 में स्कूल के अंदर ही, स्कूल के टाइम फ्रेम में ही बच्चों के लिए कुरान करीम को हिफ्ज़ करने का बंदोबस्त किया।
It's a mission or motto of the management that along with the modern education, our children should be equipped with religious teachings. And basically, we are stressing on Quran teachings and Arabic also. In higher classes, we are conducting Arabic classes. Most of the students have filled the form of certificates from NCBUL, and they are doing well.
We are providing first-rate infrastructure to our students, and we are a technology-efficient school. We have smart classes, and the idea is to create global citizens here.
Everything here is child-centric, and we also focus on the overall development of the child. We basically follow the playway method with the child, and we get them involved in the activities so that it results in the overall development, we can say total development of the child. And as far as the management and the other colleagues of the school are concerned, they are very cooperative, very helpful, and very, you can say, friendly.
हर पेरेंट्स का अपने बच्चों को हाई क्वालिफ़िकेशन देने के लिए सोचता है और उसके लिए चाहता है कि अच्छे से अच्छे स्कूल के अंदर वो एडमिशन कराए और उसका बच्चा अच्छी तालीम हासिल करे और अच्छा वो किसी भी अच्छी फील्ड में जा सके, कंपटीशन में आ सके, आईएएस बने क्या डॉक्टर बने। तो वो बेसिकली चाहता है कि अच्छे स्कूल से शुरुआत होनी चाहिए, उसकी बेस अच्छी होनी चाहिए।
It's been a wonderful experience for me because my teachers have seen me being responsible, taking duties, and they have appreciated me, and that's wonderful for me because they have appreciated my talents, they have appreciated everything in me, and just because of my teachers, I'm here what I am.
Apart from the regular curricular studies such as English and science, maths, we have also Urdu and religious teaching also.
Teacher is very talented, kind, and they all are very good, and we also study our interesting chapters and subjects. That has my favorite subject is English, SST and science, and I am very happy to study in this school.
I like to play cricket, football, and I have opportunity to everything I do, arts, study, and I want to do everything.
I like my teachers and subjects. They are very interesting subjects like abacus, value education.
Here all teachers are very interested, very nice. They all are very talented. I love to study here. It's very good opportunity for me to being here.
Greetings from the New Horizons School family. School, which is an unaided minority institution. That section of the society which does not get any priority, any admission elsewhere. We want them to make a career. All those children who have been entrusted to us enter the gates of New Horizons. We want that they should make a career and move out with a good personality. And we have smart classes which enhances their personality. We have the SMS system, which is a source of communication with the parents. They are well informed about the program of the school, their children, the unit test. And in case if a child is absent, we do inform them. Teachers are also working towards the vision of the management. The vision of the management is to see each and every Horizonite grow with them. Extracurricular activities are like debating. We have inter-school activities, intra-school activities. all the activities, our children prove that they are second to none. The Creative Fest, that is a 3-day educational fest in which we have the tiny tots portray their talent, in which the elite schools of Delhi participate. Expect that the parents, teachers and the students are going to work together. Together we can achieve new horizons.